Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make key lime pie. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna add melted and salted butter, and stir until fully combined. Meanwhile, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna transfer the mixture to the cake mold. Firmly press. For 10 minutes. Turn off the oven. Remove. And set aside to cool. I'm gonna make the filling. Meanwhile, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna pour lemon juice, condensed milk, yolks, and combine. I'm gonna pour into the baked crust. And bake for about 20 minutes. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!